Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Using Play-Doh for dictation in the classroom can be a fun and engaging way to help young learners practice spelling and writing skills. I'm here to explain how to incorporate Play-Doh into dictation activities for young learners. Number 1. Letter formation. Encourage students to roll out the Play-Doh and shape it into letters to spell out the words they hear during the dictation. This hands-on activity helps reinforce letter recognition and formation. Number 2. Word building. Provide students with a list of words to spell and have them use the Play-Doh to create each word. This experience can help reinforce spelling patterns and improve vocabulary retention. Number 3. Sentence formation. For more advanced learners, dictate full sentences for them to recreate using Play-Doh. This activity can help improve sentence structure and grammar skills in a creative way. Number 4. Interactive dictation. Instead of traditional dictation, you can call out words or sentences for students to mold with Play-Doh in real time. This interactive approach makes learning more engaging and allows for immediate feedback. By incorporating Play-Doh into dictation activities, you can make the learning process more interactive and enjoyable for young learners while reinforcing important language skills.